all like to keep our houses clean and tidy, right? But sometimes some unforeseen events can happen, and one of these things that makes us worry the most is, undoubtedly, toilets clogging. Clogged toilets are a huge inconvenience. It is impossible to use the bathroom until the problem is solved, not to mention risk of flooding, which leaves a bad smell and compromises the hygiene of our bathrooms. If you are going through this issue and don't have a plunger at hand, learn some different and simple ways of unclogging your toilet without any mess. Bleach. One of the first things you should try is putting some bleach in the toilet. Wait around 3 hours and then flush. Hot water. This method is as good as the first one, but shouldn't be used more than 3 times in a row. Fill a bucket with 33 ounces of hot water. It can be from your shower, bathtub, or even boiled on the stove. Pour all the water directly in the toilet and wait 5 minutes. After this time, flush so that whatever was clogging the toilet can be released. Some people like to dilute a little bit of detergent in the water to make the process even easier. Vinegar and baking soda. A very efficient combo to unclog your toilet is mixing 1/2 cup of baking soda and 1/2 of vinegar and pouring it in the toilet. Wait a few minutes and flush. Caustic soda. If all other methods have failed, try this one. Fill a bucket with water and add 2 tablespoons of caustic soda and 2 tablespoons of salt. After that, pour all the contents in the toilet and try flushing. Did it work? Some people prefer to pour a whole bottle of Coca-Cola in the toilet since it has the same effects and doesn't require the same amount of care and handling as is the case with caustic soda. Caustic soda is a very strong product that can damage your toilet and even your house plumbing if used too frequently. Remember that this is a very dangerous and corrosive chemical, so it is necessary to use gloves and glasses to protect yourself. And remember that it is better to avoid clogging your toilet than having to perform this very unpleasant task of unclogging it, right? Avoid throwing toilet paper, pads and tampons, soaps, diapers, and baby wipes directly in the toilet. Use a litter bin, and if you have small children at home, pay attention because their natural curiosity may result in items falling down the toilet and clogging it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.